Here is how you can add the event countdown timer on your Wix site in just a few simple steps using the Event Countdown Timer app by Market Push Apps. Now let's see how to set up the Event Countdown Timer. First, you'll need to install the Event Countdown Timer app from the Wix App Market. You can find the install link in the video description below. Also, this is how to add the app through the editor. Head to the Add Apps menu and search for the Event Countdown Timer app. Then click Add to Site. To make the widget responsive on your desktop and mobile site, you'll need to position it in the middle lane or stretch it to cover the full page. From the Event Countdown Timer settings, you can choose the template, the event time, and what you want to include in the countdown. You can edit the countdown settings of both the editing counting state and the ended state after the countdown is finished separately. For example, we will edit the countdown ended state now. Here is how you can change the background image to any image that suits your needs. Then you can customize the styles and font of different text inside the box by selecting it, as you can see here. Lastly, don't forget to save and publish your site to preserve your editing. If you found this video useful, please like or leave a comment. It helps immensely. Feel free to contact us if you need any further help. Thank you for watching.